Hi everyone, it's Sue with Sculpted Onyx. Thanks for joining me today. Today I will be showing you all this awesome nail art that I got from Shein. I got a lot of stuff, so stick around for that. As always, thank you all so much for watching, liking, subscribing, all that fun stuff. You're the best. But anyway, let's get into the video. Okay, so I got a bunch of stuff off of Shein and I wanted to go through the stickers that I got because these are one of my favorite forms of nail art. So if we open this one is $6.50. I mean, these are just a bunch of random stickers. They have like flowers and stuff on it, so that's pretty cool. I got these these are like shapes and stuff. These are like geometric. And then I got these are stars and astronomical fucking shit. These are kind of cool. I have the instructions on them. Then I got it in red and blue. And then I got this thing, which I don't even know what the fuck. I don't even know what this is. Ugh. What is this? Oh, this is interesting. I guess it's a, what is this? What the fuck? It's like a sheet of I have no idea what this is. What does this say? Just says art on it. I don't know what this one is, you guys. I have no idea what this is. So let's get into tools. I accidentally got 2 sets of brushes, but it doesn't hurt. Ooh, I'm happy about this. This is used to pick up stones and such like that. Ooh, did y'all see that? Oh shit. Wow. It's like a wax thing. And then you can use this part to move it around, and this part to actually place it on there, and then you go like this, apparently, and then like this. Hold on. Like this. Doing this right? Ah, would you look at that? These files are freaking tiny, which I did not realize, but I kind of should have known. Oh, these are so little. What am I gonna do with this? It's not even the size of my fucking finger. Let's see. I mean, they work. Yeah, it's not terrible. So I got these 3 kind of marbly-esque foils, blue, pink, and a darker pink magenta type of color. So that's kind of cool. And then we've also got this thing. I don't want to unravel it too much, but I wonder how. It's like a whole, like a net type of thing. I don't know how that works, but I'm interested to try that out. I also got this one as well, but it's a lot smaller. Wait, is it? Yeah, it's smaller. Some of these things are not closed all the way. I know for a fact, it's up here for now. These are super fucking cute. Look at that. That's pretty. And then you've got it in like, and then you've got it in a bunch of different colors. But you need to make sure, oh, you see, like this one's not closed all the way. It's just wasting glitter. This is like the white. More like champagne. This one wasn't closed either. Okay, Shein, I'm gonna need you to stop being disrespectful. That one's closed. That one's closed. So let's count this extra. Yeah, we got this one. You can even see this one. Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah, if I block the light, like right here. Okay, now you can see them all. Oh. See? Cool. Ooh. It's kind of like foils. Yeah. This came with a bunch of stuff. A bunch of 2 gold ones, silver, gold, blue, a bunch of different ones. Not sure what the fuck this is, but these are just like, they have like half pearls in there. And then just like, oh, just a random assortment of like stars, hearts, and stuff. I don't see myself using this one too much. Oh, there's a bunch of different glitters. Wow, pretty. I'm not gonna use any of these. I didn't realize this is what it was. You also get this to like, let's see, this works. It's not helping. It's really soft. Let's move on to the actual stones. And then we'll move on to like the charms and stuff later. Whatever. Right here. So this is pretty cool. This has tiny little beads here, some foil here, some gems, big 3D gems. This is like a sun type of thing, and then like, yeah, so that's kind of dope. Similarly, we have, the thing is, make sure all these are fucking closed, because apparently Shein doesn't like to close shit. Kind of the same thing, like bigger 3D charms. I don't see this. I mean, I can see myself using this, I guess. These are the tiny beads. super little. Super little. And then you've got things like this, which these are like pearls, which I think are super cool. I haven't used these before, so I'm interested in that. These little pearls in there. And then you've got this thingy with a bunch of random stuff, bunch of different little items in there. Looks like these are flat backs too, so yeah. Then you've got these blue gems, which I think is super cute, especially for like a winter design, snowy winter wonderland type of theme. These would go great for something like that. And then my favorites, I got 3 of these different types of super big gems and charms and stuff. I literally bought these for one client specifically because I know she loves to get blinged out, she says. So I really only got this for her because I don't, most of my clients don't like stuff, well, aren't interested in getting like these super big gems and stones, but literally this is just for like one client because I know that she would love these. So I think she'll be really happy when I show her this. But I thought those are super cute. So you've got why is there fucking hair on every, it's my hair. Is that my hair? No, it's it might be. These are chains. This is a chain. And so we've got these like, so we've got these chain-like things. Let's see. Okay, so these are numbered. But let's see. Oh, it's one full, oh wow, okay, it's one full thing. I guess we can cut these with pliers or something? Okay, so that's long. I don't even know if I can cut these with nippers or not. Oh. Then you've got stuff like this. Ooh. Let's see if I can get it to lay down. Oh, that's huge. Oh, wow. Wow. You've got other colors too. Oh, these would be great for like a birthstone set. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. That is so pretty. I'll show you up a little bit closer if I can. Wow. Again, don't see myself using this, but we will see. And then we've got this thing, which is a bunch of, oh, I like how these are sealed. Thank you, because these come with a lot of stuff in there, huh? These are sealed shut, which I really like the idea of. And then you've got the gold one with, this has like moons and stuff. Oh, this is cool. I can see myself. Oh, I mean, I can't, but I'll try to use them. Oh, okay. Well, let's do like, oh, let's see. So we've got just these like Mylar, I guess it's called Mylar paper. Let's see. Oh yeah. Make sure that's closed. Yeah, I can. Oh yeah, these are super flat. Oh, it just broke up in my. Oh wow. Oh, I think you can like rub them into the, oh, these are cool. These are super cool. Look at the glitter like behind. Oh, so there's 2 of them. Dope. Oh wow. Oh, okay. So these are professional nail art tools. So let's open this. Oops. So this is cool. We've got these flat. I don't think they're flat backs, are they? Oh, okay. Oh. Let me close this. Actually, let me show you with it open. Dope. Okay. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. You can see it's super little, very, very flat. So this will be easy to adhere on top of the nail, or maybe even, I didn't adhere, I wouldn't encapsulate it. Let's see. All these other. Goopy. Yeah, just a bunch of different. Oh, these are cool. Yep. And then lastly, we have the 3D flowers. Just 3D flowers. These are numbered as well, which is kind of nice. Let's see, let's pop one of these out. Yeah. Oh, they're flat on the bottom, and then when you go like this, you just plow, pop it right on the nail. Alrighty, y'all. That's it.